Hey y'all, today we're going to go over the cost it took to make our DIY turbocharger kit. So here we go. We have a triple gauge pod from Amazon for $50.40. Now we have our wide band also from Amazon for $171.39. Now the boost gauge we got from Summit Racing for $76.99. Here we have our 3-inch exhaust bins from Amazon for $178.98. Now we're going to come over here and go to our radiator hose, which is also from Amazon for $33.24. We have some angle iron over here, which pretty much is holding the turbo on here. And we got that from Amazon for about $25.18. Now some of this stuff you might not be able to see, but we'll show you what we can. Under here, if you can see it, is a T4 flange. Right above your angle iron here. And we got that from Raceworks for $25. The gaskets you won't be able to see. We also got those from Amazon for $12.15. This is our oil line kit. It runs down there, comes up to the turbo. We got that from Amazon for $38.15. We have a dash 4 elbow from Amazon that was $11.04. Three 3-inch bands, V-band clamps from Amazon for $89.97. Then we go up to the 3.25 V-band clamp from Amazon for $38.60. Something you might not be able to see is we have a 3/8 to -10 fitting from Amazon, which is $11.79. We have two 3.5 to 3-inch intake boots from Amazon for $21.96. We have a 3-inch intake elbow from Amazon for $19.99. Our mass flow to 3-inch adapter from Amazon was $16.08. Our K&N air filter, also from Amazon, for $31.09. We have a 4-inch intake elbow from Amazon for $24.66. We have our GT45 turbo charger from eBay for $145. That's the fun part. We have the blow-off valve, which come from Summit Racing for $62. And our wastegate also come from Summit Racing for $105. We have three 3-inch exhaust clamps from Amazon for $15.84. We have a blow-off tube from Amazon. A blow-off valve tube from Amazon for $26.80. We have a miscellaneous oil fittings from Lowe's for a whopping $150. That's a lot, isn't it? We have miscellaneous hoses from O'Reilly's for $50. And this one kind of gets me. We have miscellaneous bolts from Amazon for $75. We have a T4 to 3-inch elbow from Amazon for $61.39. One elbow for $61.39. But the most expensive piece to make all this work right is our STC tuner from 5 Star for $449.95. In total, this came in just under $2,000 at $1,992. However, we spent a lot more than that trying to figure out what did and didn't work. So if you got any value from this video or this series, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!